Hi there, students. A pastiche. It's a noun. This is when we talk, particularly when we talk about art, but art that's a mixture of different styles, copies of the styles of different works. It could be a film, it could be a piece of art, but copying the style of it could be music, could be architecture. So this building is a pastiche based on classical designs. Okay, a musical or literary work made up as well, made up from sections or bits of other different works. The picture was a pastiche of medieval styles. Okay, a mixture of them. They were all mixed together. The artwork is just a pastiche. Okay, so a pastiche, a piece of art, music, literature that intentionally copies the style of someone else's work, or is intentionally in various different styles. So this movie is a witty pastiche of Jaws. Okay, that would mean like it was a spoof on Jaws. Okay, so pastiche, copying something. We also use this word a pastiche to talk about a mixture, a medley, a hodgepodge, but normally of incongruous parts. I think the word medley talks about a mixture, but normally a medley it has some continuity. Where if we call something a pastiche, maybe it's mixed with things that don't go very well together. Okay, so this literary work or this artistic piece, which is copies the motifs and the techniques of another artist. So a potpourri, if you like, yeah, a composition of other things, a mélange, if you like, a miscellany. Okay, so if you go to London, the food that we end up eating is very often a pastiche of many different cuisines. This picture is a pastiche of the Mona Lisa, almost like an imitation. It might be a parody or a spoof or a takeoff, but it might not be joking. It might be somewhat more serious. Okay, so a pastiche, something that imitates the work of a previous artist, or a musical medley using various works of various different people, an incongruous mixture. His thesis was really just a pastiche of other people's theories, a mixture of other people's theories put together. The house is a pastiche of different styles. Okay, it's got Greco-Roman, it's got Empire style, it's got neoclassical, it's got modernist. This would definitely be a pastiche of styles, an incongruous mixture of them. Okay, so it's a pastiche. How formal is this word? This word sounds pretty literary. I think I'd give it a 7 in formality. Let's see, you could use it as you could use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, but let's see, pastiche in an informal sentence? No. I think I'd use a copy of, it draws on certain styles. It's a mixture of a hodgepodge, something like that. Okay, and then the word pastiche comes through French, pastiche from Italian, pastico, meaning something blended, which itself comes from Vulgar Latin pasticum, from the Latin pasta, dough, cake or paste, which itself actually comes from ancient Greek, pasta meaning porridge made of barley. Okay, so this word, this pasta word or pastiche word comes quite a long way down. Okay, so a pastiche of a mixture of various different styles. His writing is a pastiche of styles and genres that came from the past. Maybe this does create a new art form. I'm not sure. Okay, so a pastiche. I'm thinking also these DJs who play nowadays. They're using bits of other people's music and other people's sounds. This, I think, is definitely a pastiche as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pastiche.